Welcome to our channel. When Disney Plus won't load or shows errors, these comprehensive steps will fix the issue and restore your streaming. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Disney Plus requires 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. Step 2. Restart your streaming device. Unplug for 60 seconds, then plug back in and power on. Step 3. Force close Disney Plus app. Remove from recent apps or force stop in device settings. Step 4. Clear Disney Plus cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, then clear cache and data. Step 5. Update Disney Plus app. Check your App Store for updates and install immediately. Step 6. Check Disney Plus server status online. Visit downdetector.com for outage reports. Step 7. Sign out and sign back into Disney Plus. This refreshes your account authentication. Step 8. Check for device software updates. Install any available system updates for your device. Step 9. Uninstall and reinstall Disney Plus if problems persist. This ensures a clean installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.